And this is the gentleman who's going to get us underway.
Looking good. Go number one.
Frederik De Keyzer of Belgium. Great to start this competition, the first ever skeleton competition at the Invictus Games, with an Invictus Games medalist, a discus medalist at The Hague in 2022. Well, from the discus, we now have much to discuss as we begin the skeleton. And we congratulate Mr. De Keyzer, who, the year after he won his Invictus Games medal, welcomed his daughter Mia into the world. He says that he is proud to be a part of these games and ready for an awesome adventure. Well, the awesome adventure begins. The skeleton competition is about to start for the first time ever at the 2025 Invictus Games. It is the maple leaf start that the competitors will begin at. That will take them around into Shiver to curve 11, large right-hand turn. They'll then make their way through curves 12, 13, 14 and 15. Then curve 16, that's when they've got this really tight bend coming around towards the finish line, where they must avoid heading into the right-hand wall, and in doing so, get a really strong finish.
Yeah, I mean, here we go. He's going to finish right now in about just around 40 seconds. A great opening run for Mr. De Keyzer.